Alright, so today we're going to go over the bouncing bunny. I named this exercise myself, and you're going to love it. So we're going to grab onto a kettlebell or some form of weight. If we are using a kettlebell, we're going to go two hands onto the horns of the kettlebell and make sure we got a nice and firm grip with this one. Now the bouncing bunny is going to be a combination of two movements. One movement is a rotation at the waist, and the second movement is an arm and shoulder rotation side to side. So pretty much what we're going to be doing is we're going to turn our waist, start at one end, raise the kettlebell up, and drop at the other. While we're doing this, we want to make sure we control the movement as much as possible. Don't want the kettlebell flying around on its own. Again, the goal of the exercise is to control all arm movements and keep the core engaged as we move from side to side. And that's our bouncing bunny.